In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a payment voucher in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing your business finances or handling accounts for a client, being able to generate a payment voucher is a vital skill that can help ensure all your transactions are properly documented. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you've accessed your QuickBooks dashboard, the next step involves locating the right tools for the job. On the left-hand side of the screen, you should see a menu bar. From here, you'll want to click on My Apps. This section houses all the tools and applications that are linked to your QuickBooks account, giving you the flexibility to manage your business operations efficiently. After accessing My Apps, the next thing you want to do is focus on your sales information. Click Sales from the options provided. This will take you into a comprehensive overview of your sales activity, allowing you to track everything from client payments to outstanding invoices effortlessly. Now that you're within the Sales section, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on it. This area is essentially your hub for all client invoices, allowing you to manage and review each one in detail. The next step is crucial: selecting the specific invoice you want to print a payment voucher for. Carefully scroll through the list of invoices and choose the one you need by simply clicking on it. Once you've selected the appropriate invoice, you'll notice an Edit button. Click on that to proceed. After entering the edit mode for the invoice, look for the option that states Print or Download. This feature is designed to make documentation a breeze, allowing you to either print the voucher directly or download it for digital record keeping. Click on Print or Download and a new window will open up, presenting you with the final layout of your payment voucher. By following these steps, you'll ensure that all your payment vouchers are accurately printed and organized, providing a clear record of transactions for future reference. Remember, having neatly documented payment vouchers is not only beneficial for day-to-day business, but also crucial for accounting accuracy and financial audits. I hope this guide has been detailed enough to help you navigate QuickBooks with ease. If you have questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to QuickBooks support or explore online forums for additional guidance. Thank you for watching and happy managing with QuickBooks.